Hi everybody, you know what they are saying? One apple each day keeps the dog away. I would say a good trade every day. That would be fine, at least. So let's talk about some coins, some tokens. Today I've chosen one which I like very much at the moment. This is the VRA, the Vera coin. Yeah, that's what I want to talk about today. So everybody, I would like to talk now about, as I said, Verasity, VRA. Well, this coin, this token, however you want to call it, has a market cap, or is in the line of the market cap, on place number 927. Very interesting. When I started with this video, it was 931. So you see, it went up a little bit. You know, that's always happening in the market cap, ups and downs. And the positive effect is that it's going up at the moment, the same as when you see the value of this coin is going up in the last 7 days, just 49%. It was above 50% even, so I tripled even my investment in the last days, what was very, very good. And just today, again, 3.68% growth. Well, I'm seeing this all from the perspective of an investor, and as an investor, just want to know rawly what this coin is about. Has it a usability? Is it just a shit coin like Dogecoin, whatever? I want to know what's in the background. Has it a is it a usable token, a usable coin? What is it for? What's the idea, the project in the background? And here I must tell you, Verasity looks very, very good. When you want to know more about these details regarding advertising and how advertisers are using this, like, you know, for example, the BAT token, and what Verasity makes difference to this, take a look at, for example, a video made by Captain Crypto on YouTube. He has presented one of the founders of VRA and describing a little bit more about this. But I'm mainly talking here about these things which are interesting for me in view of an investor, in the investor's view. And what I say, it's what happened here is very interesting. You see the chart is going very good. You see the token went very early in the market, because it's a very young token. You see when here I have the Verasity chart with putting it on all, you see it's beginning somewhere in 2019. With a market cap of 0 and a price which started already at 0.1 cent, and you see these prices are going very, very fast up, and this is very interesting in this coin, because it's one of these coins where I see when you want to start early with a coin, where you see a lot of potential power to grow, start early. Remember the Bitcoin effect, the days it was less than 20 cent. In these days, when you bought 100,000 pieces, you would be a wealthy man or woman meanwhile. I recommend, therefore, also their webpage. It's under verasity.io, where you find all the informations about this coin. The rewards-based platform for esports, tournaments, and gaming and video entertainment. And that shows it's a market of the future. And it's very interesting where you can even make extra coins for your pocket, for your wallet. You have here the adoption metrics, you have the partners here, YouTube, Vimeo, Twitch, Kaltura, and so on. You see where it was already named, where they already have written about it in Forbes and others. Here you have what is for me always important to know, the white paper. Take a look at the white paper and these guys which are a little bit more deeper in this old programming and usability of tokens. Take a look at the smart contract also. An example on the webpage also regarding the VRA virtuous cycle, who's buyer, who benefits, and so on. Very important, very interesting for me. Details about how it works. And for sure the stacking program. Yeah, what is very good, I show you later now in the next step. But here we have also an overview of the roadmap, and what's also for me always important to know the faces. Who stands behind all this? Who are the core leaderships guys? Who are the people, the men and women in the background? And who are the advisors for here, for example, also with faces, and the LinkedIn connection also, where you can contact and get in touch with all these professionals from this project. Yeah, fantastic thing. The VRA wallet here is also very interesting. It belongs to Verasity and it's their own wallet. Their wallet is can be used here on a web platform, but also on mobile devices. I use it also on my mobile, on my iPhone. Very good. You can buy these coins by just transferring the Ethereums to your wallet address, and then it's switched, swapped, whatever you call it, immediately into your VRA coins, and it's staked. It's staked there immediately, and we have here, I would call it an interest rate of daily 0.1%, what makes yearly about 36.5%. You know, as an investor in the crypto market or in stock shares, you know, you never can compare this, what you have here, when you compare it to what you get on a bank account or in insurance, health insurance, or life insurance. Well, that's what you have here. You will never reach there. So, but it's always a risky market. So once again, this is not a financial advice. As I say, always, you trade on your own risk. So never put money into this which you have borrowed somewhere. Only invest money you can really forget about, first of all, and then see what's coming out. Yeah, but you see, the price was very low. Just remember where we are standing here. We're standing here at less than 1 cent. And that means you can easily buy these 200 million or 100,000 VRAs, and then you see what you get here daily on interest. That's very good, very interesting. It's very fast and quick to handle, and you can unstack all the time, so you're not fixed in a certain time. That's very easy. I compare things like this based on a good interest rate added to this growth what I expect here. I compare it sometimes with other coins like Hexagilist. I'll just say hello to you. The Hex coin, very interesting thing also, but I like at the moment a little bit more Veracity. I like it really a little bit more, and I expect a much bigger profit here. What we see here is less than 1 cent. I still say, and this is what I'm saying for weeks and months now, always since 2017, since the big bubble that exploded in December 2017, I just say since these days we are in the complete crypto market. In the complete crypto market, we are heavily undervalued. Yeah. There are too much coins in the market still which are below 1 cent. And that's something what is unacceptable. Just talk about XRP, XLM. We have to see here 1, 2, or 3 digits more even. So the complete market is still heavily undervalued. And that's what I see also with my best friend here, Veracity, where I expect not just 1 cent, not just 10 cents. No, I expect that we in the future see $1 here. And then imagine the low price. That's what we see here is maybe the Bitcoin effect, where you are at the early stage, where you can invest a lot of money and become a wealthy person. Yeah, okay. Well, that's just what I expect. It's not what will happen for sure. So check it always twice. But that's my recommendation. Yeah, that's my recommendation regarding Veracity. And yeah, I just say it's worth to take a look. And for me, it was worth enough to put my money into it. Yes, that's VRA, Vera coin, Vera token. As always, this is not a financial advice. So be careful. Whatever you do, don't invest more than you can give out. And that's for now. If you like it, leave a message, whatever you say. It's interesting for me always to know your opinion about all this. Have a feedback, it's always important. And finally, don't forget please to subscribe. Thank you and see you. Bye.